Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. So in this video I will be unboxing a mystery box from Uber. So for those of you who do not know me, I did my summer internship at Uber last year, and since I've got a PPO and I will be joining Uber next year as a full-time engineer, they sent me this mystery box as goodies. So let's not waste a lot of time and let's just try to open it. Okay, here's our cutter. Let's see what's inside. Originally I didn't plan to make this video, but then I thought, why not? Okay. Let's see what's inside.
2,000 years later.
Cool. So the box is open and I'm going to show you what's inside. Let's just open it and also quickly make some space here. Sorry about that.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
OMG. What's this? Oh my god. A box with Uber written on it. I have literally no idea what's inside this. You will see this. For now, let's just keep it here. There are a few more things inside this. Uber t-shirt. Let's also keep it here for now actually. And okay, a bag. And that's all, I guess. The box is empty. Let's just put this box aside. Okay. Let's see if there's anything inside this bag or not. This bag looks actually weird. I don't know. This doesn't look like a normal bag to me. I thought it will be a laptop bag, but OMG, what's this? Oh my god. I'm still not very sure how to make use of this bag, but it looks like a mixture and combination of 2 or 3 varieties. So either you can pack your stuff inside this, use this as a laptop bag, I don't know. We'll try it. And next is Uber t-shirt. So funny thing happened with me when I got the t-shirt last year. I actually got some swags last year in internship also. I will add some picture here. So what happened to that t-shirt is basically I washed it very extensively in a washing machine, and the Uber logo that was on it faded. So it's not a black t-shirt, it's not a t-shirt with proper logo, it's pretty useless t-shirt for me now.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Let's see. Okay, cool. Normal black t-shirt, Uber class of 2023. I think they should not have written 2023, but anyways, looks nice. This t-shirt looks better than the last year ones. Cool. And now let's open the final box, which is actually like complete surprise to me. I mean, t-shirt was obvious, but I have no idea what's inside this box. Okay, let's try to open this.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
It's time to open the final box, and here it is. Oh my god, what's this? Okay, there are a lot of things inside this. A Uber diary. Yeah, plain diary. I mean, what all they can have inside a diary. A plain diary. A keychain. A pen. And a water bottle. Pretty light water bottle actually. Last year water bottles was the glass bottle. Let's see. Wow. It looks like it's like less than 500 ml or something. Anyways. A glass or a mug. And finally this is something weird. Stuff inside it. Okay, what's this? Let's find it out. I guess this is a mobile stand. Yeah, looks like a mobile stand only. So I can put my mobile, I don't know to do what. Anyway, I guess that's all inside the box. Box is empty. And honestly, I do not use the diary or the pen or the mug. I mean, the only thing that I will gonna use is the t-shirt, the bag and the bottle. Even the last year diaries and pens are just sitting somewhere around my cupboard. yeah, I guess that's all. Hope you all like this video. If yes, then press the like button. If you didn't like the video and still are watching till now, I don't know man what you are doing with your time. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to stay updated, and see you next time.